Hi there, it's our penultimate day in Ireland. So we're just getting the bike ready and let's go. Before you get on, what's the chain like? Is it sagging a bit? Yeah, probably need to tighten it up. We'll do that later.
We've just had a repair on the bike. The chain came off whilst we were driving. Sam's just fixed it. We're running quite late now. It doesn't matter.
So we are at the Giant's Causeway. It's very impressive.
Thank you for running my fingers.
Still looking for sharks? Excuse me, you're in the way of my amazing shoot. Yeah.
I am the amazing shot. I am the view.
How's their technique?
Shit, he can't get out. That guy's trying to pull him, he can't.
His pants are going.
Oh.
Oh my god.
It's wider on the left side than it is on the right.
Oh yeah.
That's annoying.
Neve's board. It's not as impressive as it looks on the photos. We were just saying you probably need to be like a really good photographer to get it to look really nice and decent. Or come when it's dark.
Yeah, sunset.
Or the sky is a nice colour.
Yeah.
And it's quite good, this bit.
Yeah, it's fine.
Your helmet looks really wonky. Look straight. We're going for dinner over there.
Let's go, I'm starving.
You got a jacket to put on?
No.
Oh. Yikes. And this is how we end today. Having some chips. We've got a pizza there. Show them quickly. Stop eating. Oh. By the sea in Cushendall. We tried to go in some restaurants but they didn't let us in. They said they were full, so we didn't really feel welcome anyway, did we? They didn't really speak to us.
Sam said hi to one of the waitresses and they just completely ignored it.
Yeah, so we're here instead, and that food is really good. Where is it from?
Peppermill.
Peppermill. So yeah.
Bye.
Goodbye.
We have no cutlery, that's why we're eating with our hands. We're not.
She's just gross. Look at her. Disgusting.